Do you wish to add an additional bank account to your 5paisa account? It's simple. Here's an easy guide. Let's learn how to add an additional bank account. 5paisa lets you add your bank account and start trading from anywhere, anytime within minutes. Here's how you can add an additional bank account to the 5paisa app. First, go to User. Next, click on the arrow next to your name. Then, click on Modify. Now go to the Bank Details section. Next, click on Add Bank. Enter the required details such as IFSC code, bank account number, account type. Finally, click Proceed. Remember, you can register up to maximum 5 banks for pay-in. For well-informed investments, try 5paisa. Watch our other tutorial videos to learn more about 5paisa. Download the 5paisa app today.